We are thrilled to announce the completion of a considerable renovation project which took place this past year at East Ramapo Central School District, the Ramapo High School Fitness Center. East Ramapo students need to be provided with sustainable, equitable access to high-quality programs and services, and this facility upgrade is another step in meeting that goal. In 2020, there was a review of the district facilities. The greatest needs were identified, and the old fitness center at Ramapo High School did not meet the requirements for proper instruction. A lot of the equipment was in disrepair and past end of life, and much of the physical space, including floors and walls, did not function and were becoming unsafe. Since this was an integral part of our physical education plan, we were required to bring it up to code. We created a feasibility plan funded through grant money from the Creating Healthy Schools and Communities grant partnership with Rockland County Department of Health, as well as a portion of our own athletics budget.
This area used to be a cold and dark space with broken and outdated equipment. Now we have this beautiful state-of-the-art fitness facility that provides more than enough space and equipment to accommodate a larger number of students.
Today we have a 4,400 square foot fully functional instructional space that is tied to our secondary physical education plan that is aligned with New York State standards. Here we facilitate Ramapo High School's entire student body's physical education classes, as well as practices for hundreds of students after school. The space has an assortment of row machines, spin bikes, and treadmills.
We got an enormous amount of snow this year. We weren't able to be outside as much as we wanted to. So the fact that we were able to have cardio equipment and the facilities that we never had access to before really allowed our team to still make gains and to still improve.
Definitely more safety involved. We have brand new mats. We have brand new wall padding. One of our student athletes at practice the other day actually said that he thinks that we have the best room in Rockland County, and I would agree with the features that we now have. It's just a tremendous opportunity.
We designed this space to be versatile and adaptable to various arrangements. Hence, much of the equipment is smaller and collapsible and can be rolled from one space to another. Of course, all students and staff who use this space must adhere to the COVID guidelines, including social distancing, facility hygiene, disinfection, and filling out the daily questionnaire. Schools play an important role in shaping the lifelong health and wellness routines of our students, and having the right equipment to maintain their strength and ability is a key component in this. We are happy to welcome the students into their modernized gym, and we know they appreciate the space from the growing number of students accessing it.